In JavaScript, an object constructor is a special function used to create objects. But why do we need a constructor when we can just use an object literal? Let's look at an example where a constructor might be necessary. Suppose we want to create 3 dog objects. Using object literals, we'd have to define the properties and methods for each dog every time we create one. Constructors make this process easier and cleaner. To create these 3 dog objects using a constructor, we first need to define the constructor function. To do this, we simply use our function keyword and our function name. We'll call our function dog. Note that our function dog is capitalized as constructor names usually are. Next, we define the parameters that will become the properties of our object. Our dog object will have a name, age, breed, and weight. Inside the constructor function, we assign the properties by setting this.name to name, this.age to age, this.breed to breed, and this.weight to weight. If we want our objects to have a default property, we can assign it here as well. For instance, we can set this.isGoodBoy to true since all dogs are good boys. Finally, our constructor can also define methods. To do this, we simply define a bark function that logs the dog's name to the console. Now let's create some dog objects. We create a variable, dog1, and set it equal to a new dog object, passing the parameters we want it to have as arguments. Dog1 will be named Marty, have an age of 12, a breed of German Shepherd, and a weight of 60 pounds. Now if we log dog1.name, we see it shows Marty. If we log our default property, isGoodBoy, we also see it shows true, even though it wasn't passed in as a parameter. And lastly, if we call dog1.bark, it logs its name. Let's create some more dogs, dog2 and dog3. If we call the bark method on all of them, we see they each log their respective names. And that's a wrap on constructor functions. Constructors make creating multiple objects of the same type extremely simple and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.